Good day everyone and welcome back. This morning I'm at the Hoffler Street boat ramp. Beautiful morning. There's not a cloud in the sky. There's just a slight breeze. It's fantastic. I've got bread and worms and we'll see if we can catch something. Someone else trying to catch some fish. Haven't seen him have any luck yet either. Oh, and we hooked into one. Let's see if we can land it. Holy crud, look at the size of him. Oh man, wow. Wow, so there we go. I don't have my brag mat, so I'm actually going to cut off some extra fishing line and then take a measure, because I got a feeling that is a PB. I think that's over 80. Okay, so I've cut a piece of the fishing line with how big he is. I will check that later. But just look at the size of that. That thing is huge. So, very slow day, made up for it with one fish. There we go. So I caught that big guy off the surf rig with bread. Bread was on the bottom, and that's what I hooked him with. I've got the worms up top. I still haven't got a touch on the worms. Didn't have a Finley, haven't here today, and that cockatoo's still squawking. But yeah, big fish. That was nice. So hopefully another one's out there. So I'm back home, and I grabbed my brag mat, and that fishing line that I cut, I taped one end to the zero and brought it down, and there we go. He was 83 centimeters. So that is a new PB by quite a bit. Fantastic. So I stayed fishing for about another hour, didn't get another bite. I got a feeling when I was reeling that big one in, he was telling everybody go away. Just the one on the day, but new personal best, so I'll always take that. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It'd be very much appreciated. And until next time, keep fishing.